group 2. Okay, students, you can see the Word document.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay, so the sales reps belonging to group 2 are solid performers. Okay, so like the group 1 sales reps, these sales reps are also achieving their sales targets, high performers, definitely. Okay, but they prefer to work alone. They don't prefer to work in teams. But as per Cara Becklin's newly articulated vision, okay, so her vision for the sales reps is to increase the sales in this crisis situation by way of selling big ticket items or most expensive products of the company like heart lung machine. But to sell these big ticket items, okay, it is necessary that the rep should work as a team. So that is the reason why Cara must convince, okay, the sales reps belonging to group 2 to work together, or she must convince the sales reps the importance of working together in order to sell the big ticket items. Okay, so it's only by way of working together the big ticket items can be sold and the vision can be reached or the goals can be achieved. Okay. So consequently, the key leader behavior for this group is fostering the acceptance of group goals. Okay, she should put effort to make the sales reps accept the group goals. Yes, if these sales reps agree, are convinced to work in teams, okay, then the chances of achieving the new vision or new goal becomes more easy for Cara Becklin. Okay, so whatever she's addressing, try to understand. She's trying to address the different groups of sales reps in a way where it helps achieve the vision set for the sales group. Okay, then group 3, low performing rookies. Okay, so these sales reps are putting efforts, okay, but they are not able to achieve their sales quotas or sales targets. So we can call they are grouped into, they are categorized into group 3 as a low performing rookies. Transactional leadership is required for these reps who are still learning. Okay, since they are, okay, the reason for their low performance is, okay, they are still learning the process of selling, okay, these kind of products. So while they're learning, definitely their performance will be lower, but it is important to note that they are putting efforts. Remember, okay, they have not given up. They are not the troublemakers, okay. So they are putting efforts, but they are not able to perform better. So for such reps, yes, supervision is required, so that you can observe them on a day-to-day basis and identify the areas of improvement and help them with improving their performance. So in such a case, transactional leadership is required for these reps who are still learning. The transformational leader behaviors of role modeling and individualized support are also important. So try to understand, it's not extreme, like only transactional leadership or only transformational leadership. Okay, a leader has to be adaptive to the situation. So that is why the situation here is adaptive leadership behavior. So for group 3, she should exhibit both the leadership styles, transactional leadership, okay, for the day-to-day supervision and trying to identify the areas of their improvement and trying to help them in their improve their performance, as well as she should exhibit transformational leadership of role modeling. Okay, she can go along with the sales reps and work for a few days in the field. Okay, and this way she can provide individualized support to these sales reps, which will boost their morale and it will teach them how to make sales calls to sell big ticket items and help improve performance of these group 3 sales reps. Cara should be sure to role model selling technique. Okay, perhaps accompanying these reps on actual sales, as I mentioned. Okay, perhaps accompanying these reps on actual sales calls with customers qualified to buy the heart lung machine. Okay, she can set herself as a role model and teach them the selling technique of big ticket items like the heart lung machine by accompanying the sales reps on the actual sales calls. Okay, and teach them how to, but for that she need to be well versed in the selling technique. Okay, then the last two categories of sales reps. Group 4, mediocre performing misfit. For them, okay, individualized support is likely to be the most important leader behavior for this step. Okay, who is struggling somewhat with her job and is trying to adapt far from home. Okay, so mediocre performing, below average performance. Okay, so these sales reps require 100% individualized support. It is possible in this case because the number of sales reps are low. Okay, it will not be definitely possible if the number of sales reps are too high. And group 5, okay, so low performing, burned out sales reps. As explained in the chapter, the plateaued sales reps need vision, role modeling, okay, and individualized support. So some verbal feedback is also important, but these reps share some similarity to group 1. They know the company rules and understand what they should be doing. So transactional leadership is of secondary importance. Okay, Kara Becklin should adopt transformational leadership, okay, for sales reps belonging to group 5 who are low performing and burned out. Okay, so this concept also I can recall, we have learned it in the same chapter. Okay, I think that fatigue we learned in some other chapter, okay, not here, but anyway, whatever. So Kara Becklin should adopt transformational leadership style for the sales reps belonging to group 5, as transactional leadership is not required, as these reps also know the company rules and procedures very well. Okay, so they need not require transactional leadership. That is secondary importance. Primarily, okay, she should adopt transformational leadership, okay, that requires developing a vision for the sales reps, role modeling, and providing individualized support, which is part of transformational leadership. Okay, so this is how, okay, dear students, okay, students of management studies learn to put themselves, okay, to learn how to make decisions, okay, by putting themselves into the shoes of the character in the case or case study. Okay, so definitely good reading, lot of reading, interaction, discussions help develop decision making skills. Okay, so some of you, okay, try to understand that you are not far away, okay, or not, you are near, okay, you are almost closer to take up this situation of a leader, position of a leader. Try to understand. 3 companies, okay, that are into recruitment: ANSI Careers, okay, CareerNet, and Pi Square. Okay, so after 2 to 3 years of period, if your performance is very good, you will become a team leader. Okay, you will have somewhere in the range of 2 to 4 subordinates working under you. Okay, so and if you will have team incentives. Okay, I don't know, check your sales offer letters. Okay, it was mentioned. Okay, team incentives will be there. So if your team is not performing, the whole team will lose incentives, as well as your performance appraisal will be lower once you become a team leader. See, these all things will come into help. Knowledge of this, okay, will come into help. Okay, so I hope the session was okay, has added some value to your knowledge. It will help you in your career. Okay, everybody, you heard me? That's the conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I will take attendance now. Nishad?
She was present, sir.
She was present. Okay. Aditya?
Present, sir.
Akshata?
Present, sir.
Akshay Pujari? Akshay Pujari?
Sir, he was also present for the
He
first
was
session.
also present. Okay. Akshay Koradkeri? Present. Ankita?
Present, sir.
Anusha?
Present, sir.
Apeksha?
She was also present, sir.
Yeah. Ashutosh?
Present, sir.
Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Supriya? Supriya absent. Divya?
Yes.
Divya is also absent. Gautam?
Present, sir.
Sir, Divya is present, sir.
Divya is present. Gautam is present. Gururaj?
Present, sir.
Hanumant Rai?
Yes, sir.
Bhimaya? Bhimaya absent. Kallaya?
Present, sir.
Karthik? Karthik?
Sir.
Yeah, present. And then Manjur?
Yes, sir.
Manoj? Manoj? Absent. Meghna Kalburgi? Meghna Kalburgi was present. Okay. Meghna Lokhande?
Present.
Nandan? Nandan? He was present. Was he present in the first session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nikita?
Present, sir.
Pradeep?
Yes, sir.
Pramod?
Yes, sir.
Pranjali?
Present, sir.
Prashant?
Yes, sir.
Prema? She was present. She was present. Okay. Then Rahul is present.
Present, sir.
Ram? Ram? Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Varsha? Yeah, she is present.
She is
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes. Samuel?
absent, sir.
Sharan?
Present, sir.
Shruti?
He is also present,
Yeah,
sir.
she is present. Shweta Kalkeri?
Sir, present, sir. Shruti.
Yeah. Shweta Kalkeri? Absent. Snehal? She was present. Okay. And she is present now also. Sudha? Sudha absent. Then Suman?
Sir, Snehal.
Yeah, Snehal is marked present. Sudarshan I missed. Sudarshan is present? No. Sudha, no. Suman? No. Vishal?
Present, sir.
Yes. Okay, so I hope all those who are there in the class are marked present. Pradeep, what happened? Yeah, Pradeep is marked present. Okay. Okay then. So thank you all of you. Happy lunch time and see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, nice day. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you are welcome.